Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to unlock iPhone locked it to owner on iPhone 16 Pro Max on the latest ISO 26.5.2. So let's start. First of all, you need to buy the unlocking file from us. If you're interested in our unlocking file, you can WhatsApp me or Telegram me on this number and I will provide you the unlocking file. After buying the unlocking file, you have to import the unlocking file to the 3U tool. 3U tool is a free tool for flashing, and you have to select import the unlocking file in smart flash mode and clear data mode. Select clear data mode and start flashing. It will take like 5 to 10 minutes depend on your iPhone model, and your iPhone will be unlocked. So I'm using iPhone 16 Pro Max, so it will take like 10 minutes to 12 minutes for flashing, and after flashing our iPhone will be unlocked. Our service is permanent and 100% working. Just you need to buy the unlocking file from us and unlock your phone. Also, this method is supported with all iPhone model and all iPad model. For example, this method is supported with iPhone 17 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, 15 Pro Max, 14 Pro Max, and 13 Pro Max, and 12 Pro Max, and 11 Pro Max. All the series are supported. Even iPhone 16 Pro, 16 Plus, 16 Pro Max, all the model are supported. Just you need to buy the unlocking file and I will provide you the unlocking file. No matter you are from anywhere, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number or Telegram and I will provide you the unlocking file. Our service is 100% working. A lot of people are buying. Also, you can use SIM card, call data, everything will work fine. Activating device and skipping data. Congratulations, device activation successful. Our iPhone 16 Pro Max on the latest ISO 26.5.2 is on. Now you have to swipe up, select language. It will restart one or two times. Sometimes it restart. Let's continue with partial setup. And voila, our iPhone 16 Pro Max is unlocked. Now you can unblock this phone. Swipe up, open settings, go to Journal, About, ISO version 26.5.2 is unlocked. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.